I'm getting buried here. This is crazy. Why am I getting so many questions? Okay, let me see. Headspace Timing says they will probably do a local record check before the interim. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure of all the details. I can tell you a little bit about mine. Like, I've had up to a TS clearance, and I could tell you, like, they were asking questions for my neighbor. They talked to my neighbor. It freaked me out. First of all, they have you fill out this huge form, like this 30-page form that goes into your entire history of people you knew, countries you've been to, how long you lived at certain houses. I mean, it's very thorough. Family members, if you have any foreign family members, and all these weird questions about whether you're a terrorist and stuff, just all kinds of stuff, right? And the higher the level of clearance, the deeper it goes. So that's that questionnaire, and I can't remember the name of the questionnaire. Tell me if you guys remember what it's called. I can't remember what it's called. I haven't filled it out in a long time, thank God. But so they ask you this huge list of stuff, right? And then there's a second layer. So whether they take this thing and then they read through it and stuff, and then also they're asking questions. For in TS clearance, they were literally asking not only my family members and ex-coworkers, but my neighbors across the street who I rarely even talk to. They talked to I knew this because my neighbors told me that they talked to him. And then another one, they sat me down and had an interview with me. And like, I was visiting my mom, and the dude meets me. I'm in Colorado. I visited my mom in California. They had a dude in California meet me there as I'm visiting my mom, and we sat there, and it's some spy crap. It is insane, like how deep these guys go to investigate you. It's real. Like, it gets real. That's why I'm always surprised when they find these dudes. They find out these dudes who have been like agents from another country for a long time, right? Because they're very thorough. I mean, I'm just like, how did they miss this dude who's a spy for this other country? You know what I mean? It's crazy how deep they go.